Hello guys, today we're going to talk about HTML heading. Like last week we talked about more on how to use how to use HTML, what is HTML, and I'll show you some basics, methods in basic programming or basic coding to write an HTML web page. And also defined some heading, but I actually didn't define why heading and why it is important to use, and today I'm going to do it. So heading is important. Why? Because it is just your structure and content of your web page. So for example, your heading is same thing as your text. So instead of using a heading, you just write your text, your heading in your text, and your text as a text, and which wouldn't really make sense because you don't know what they're talking about, because people think you're just making some different lines. Your heading should be more bolded and different compared to your text. That is one reason why a heading is important. And as I'm going so there are promptly 6 headings, like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and each heading as H1 is like is used commonly and it's the main heading, and H6 is like the least commonly, or you can use it, but it is one of the less important headings. And also note, if you want to use headings for headings only, please, HTML heading, don't use it to make your text big and bold. If you want bold, just use strong. If you want big, like, just use width and stuff. So HTML heading. So headings are defined with H1 to H6 tags, as I just showed you. H1 is the most important, H6 is the least important. So this is how it works. So whatever it is, I'm just gonna copy it, okay, and paste it. Okay, there it is. And doc type HTML, and I put my headings, 6 headings, and I end it with HTML. Save it. Go there. Nope, wrong there. Go there. Click on it. Okay, you could see H1 it looks like a heading. It looks like a big bolded. You want to use it. H2 gets, you can use it for like paragraphs or something. H3 is like, inside headings. H4 gets more lower. H5 gets extremely, and H6 you can't even see, barely. That is why people mention H1 is one of the most important, and it's like the biggest you could get. So that is the point of heading, and thank you for watching this.